Today see about farm animals and farm birds name. First see about farm animals. Cow, COW, cow. Dog, DOG, dog. Cat, CAT, cat. Goat, GOAT, goat. Rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. Buffalo, BUFFALO, buffalo. Pig, PIG, pig. Camel, CAMEL, camel. Donkey, DONKEY, donkey. Yak, YAK, yak. Sheep, SHEEP, sheep. Horse, HORSE, horse. Ox, OX, ox. Fish, FISH, fish. This is the farm animals names. Next see about farm birds names. Following for duck, DUCK, duck. Rooster, ROOSTER, rooster. Parrot, PARROT, parrot. Goose, GOOSE, goose. Turkey, TURKEY, turkey. Hen, HEN, hen. Dove, DOVE, dove. Ostrich, OSTRICH, ostrich. Bee, BEE, bee. This is the farm birds names. Thanks for watching video. Like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.